Hello everyone, my name is Aman Gupta and welcome to my channel Engineers Coding Hub. So this is the fourth video of our OOPS placement series. In this video, we will discuss about the method overloading in OOPS. So what is the method overloading? Method overloading is a feature in Java. So in this series, we will follow the Java for implementing the OOPS. So I am writing here the Java. So method overloading is a feature in Java that allow a class to have more than one method with the same name but different signature. So if we have a class and we have our 2 3 methods with the same name and but the different signature, so we can say this is the method overloading. So we will also discuss the example, so it will very clarify to you, so don't worry about it. So what is the meaning of different signature? So Java method overloading we can do in 3 ways. So by changing the data types of argument, and by changing the number of arguments, and by changing the order of arguments of the method. So this is the main signature. This is all about the signature. So this signature is nothing but just type of argument, number of argument, and order of argument. And what is the benefit? The main benefit of the method overloading is enhance the readability and flexibility of the code. Okay. So let's see the example. So this is my class math operations. Inside the class, we have a 3 method with the same name. Like this is add, this is also add method, and this is also a add method. But you can see the number of arguments should be a different. Like here we have a two number of argument. So A and B. And here you can see the number of argument is 3. And you can see here the data type of argument should be changed. So we have already discussed कि changing the data type of argument, या तो number data type change होनी चाहिए, या number of argument change होनी चाहिए, या order of argument भी different होने चाहिए. Okay. So if we create an object of that class math operations and calling the method which have two arguments. So let's say I am passing a 2 and 3. So this will call this method math.add. So add we have this a wala call होगा because we have only passed 2 argument with integer. So यहाँ ऐसा कौन सा मेथड है जिसमें 2 आर्गुमेंट हो और इंटीजर हो? दिस वाला ओके. सो दिस इज द मेथड ओवरलोडिंग. So let's see the second one. Here I am passing a 3 argument as an integer. So if you can see here, there is a 3 argument with integer. So this function will call. And the last one is here we data type should be a different. So I am passing here 2.5 and 3.5. So I am passing the double value. So it will accept the double value and perform the operation. Okay. So this is all about the method overloading. And the most important, this is the most important for interview purpose. So in OOPS, if two method have the same name and the same parameters, but different return type, so it is not considered method overloading. Like if we have a same name of method with the with different signature मैंने आपको बात की कि signature is all about the argument. So the argument should be a different, but the return type अगर आपकी different भी है तो उससे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा because return type पे ये कंसीडर नहीं करेगा, नॉट कंसीडर मेथड ओवरलोडिंग. तो अगर रिटर्न टाइप आपकी डिफरेंट है या सेम है, इससे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता, बट द मेथड का नाम सेम होना चाहिए एंड सिग्नेचर डिफरेंट होने चाहिए. रिटर्न टाइप से कोई भी फर्क नहीं पड़ता. दिस इज द मोस्ट पॉपुलर क्वेश्चन इन द इंटरव्यू. ओके. सो ये ध्यान रखना. And let's see the example. Like we have an example class, and if we inside this class have a method add. Okay. This add class will add the a and b, which is passing as an argument, and the second class is return a double which accept integer a and integer b, so with the same name but the different return type. So this should be not a method overloading, so it will give the error. We will see the practical, it will clarify to you. So let's do the practical of method overloading. We go on the online GDP, select the Java here, remove this code, and let's create the class just like math, not like operation. Okay, operations. So this is my class. Inside this class, I have, you can see here, we have three methods. So let's copy this methods and just paste it over here. So this is our method. The first method is add, which take two argument, and the second method is also a add method, which take three argument. Here we are, data type should be a different double. Okay, and if I create the object of operations, so operations O is equal to new operations. So this is how I am creating the object. अगर आपने object और class वाली वीडियो नहीं देखी है तो आप जाके देख सकते हो. Okay, then I am calling the O dot add by passing the 2 and 3, and when I call this will call this method. Okay, so let's see. System कुछ print करा देता हूँ यहाँ पे ताकि system dot out dot println. So this method is calling, and let's run it and see what will happen. And you can see the sys out. Okay, okay, system head. This is system. Okay, let's run it. So you can see this is perfectly running. When we pass the two integers, and it will come with the two this function. Okay, and one more is by changing the number of argument. So this is I have already seen the number of arguments should be different है. यहाँ दो है, यहाँ पे तीन है, तो ये अपना कवर हो गया. एंड सेकंड इज, फर्स्ट इज चेंजिंग द रिटर्न टाइप, तो ये भी अपना कवर हो गया कि रिटर्न टाइप डिफरेंट है. लाइक यहाँ इंटीजर है और यहाँ डबल है विथ टू आर्गुमेंट्स. एंड लास्ट वन इज ऑर्डर ऑफ आर्गुमेंट शुड बी डिफरेंट. ओके, तो ये भी अलग भी देख लेते हैं. लाइक वी हैव अ टू मेथड public int like example. Okay, example, and here I am taking a one string as, let's say, name and int age. Okay, and second one is just return type is void, because इससे कोई फर्क पड़ता नहीं है, रिटर्न टाइप या तो सेम हो या डिफरेंट हो, इससे कोई फर्क पड़ता नहीं है मेथड ओवरलोडिंग. जस्ट ये example. And here I am changing the order. So first I take the age, and then I am taking the name as an argument, and then I am printing something like system dot out dot println. This is first method. So example की spelling mistake है. Example, okay. This is ex first. Example first. And let's copy it. Add the semicolon here. Let's paste it over. And this is example second. So ये भी आपको error नहीं देगा. This is also a method overloading because the order of arguments should be a different. So if I call o dot example by passing the name as Aman, the age is 22, and second one is example by passing 23, and then I am passing the Aman. So this function will call this, and this will call a second example. Okay, let's see what will happen. You can see, okay, semicolon mistake. Let's run it again. And you can see this is o dot example. I am passing the Aman and 22. So this is example 1, and this is example 2, where I am passing age first and name second. Okay, this is the simple example of method overloading. And the last one is, I have seen the most important. Okay, this is the most important कि अगर अपन return type same, मतलब if method same रहेगा but the return type should be a different. So let's take it. Okay, so I am taking is a name first and int age. So the method should be exactly same. So this is not a method overloading because method भी same है और signature भी same ही है कि name पहले ले रहे हैं, the number of, इनमें तीनों में से कोई सा भी केस फॉलो नहीं हो रहा. So this is not a method overloading. So I am changing the return type. तो इसकी int कर देते हैं and I am passing here return 1. Okay, ताकि ये रन ना दे. Now if I run this program, it will give the error because this is not a method overloading. Let's run it. So you can see the something is wrong because of compilation error. So I don't know key what is happening here. Okay, just remove it. Let's see. Let's run it. And you can see it is not, it is already defined. क्या बोल रहा है? Already defined. So it will not allow to with the same name, but return type should be a different. So this is not a method overload. So ये आपको बताना था mainly. So this is the most important for interview. Interview में पूछा भी जाता है. Okay. So this is all about the method overloading. So अगर आपको content पसंद आया हो तो please like, subscribe and comment and press the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.